So I thought I'd give something new a shot. I have a dilemma. I'm not a huge fan of this, but I'm gonna give it a shot like I said. Anyways, due to the fact that it seemed legit. And so I ended up getting the Pilot replacement wide angle windshield nozzles from Pepboys. Allegedly, no drilling, easy installation, replaces most, that's the key word, most OE washer nozzles. And wide angle offers better windshield coverage. So mine looks somewhat like this, but with two streams, where a wide angle is a major, kind of like a spray. Came with some little hardware stuff, and the backs are just that. It looks like it screws onto the hood, and then the hoses just generally go right in there. And it looks like there's a couple other fitment options in here for a hose size, and some washers and the retaining screws. Yeah, so I'm gonna make my spray pattern look better. So this is what my spray pattern looks like now. So here's those spray jet thingies. This is what it looks like. Those probably turn. I could imagine that they turn. And this is what the original one looks like. It's really itty bitty, and you can kind of see the little holes in there where the water comes out of, and it's pretty useless. It comes out in a little small stream. It literally is like two little squirts, like a and then a over there. So I'm gonna see if I can actually do anything about these. These were $5, so it's worth a shot. Washer fluid goes in there, there's a pump, and then some lines, and it goes up, and another little T, and goes to its first jet, which is there, behind that hose, and to the other jet, which is over there. These essentially will take place up inside of there and screw in. So we'll see how that, how the hosiery all works out, because that actually looks, this is about the same size, so that's what really kind of matters, I think. So far this is actually looking a lot better than I anticipated, due to the fact that I'm not a huge fan of universal items, especially from stuff from like Pepboys or AutoZone or O'Reilly's. The universal stuff kind of has more of a fitment issue than normal, especially when it says easy installation. However, the bibs themselves fit right up inside there, and now I just got to get the old jet off, put this in, and screw it on, and that will probably be easier than I actually, believe it or not, anticipated. So that's how the hole looks from the outside. And this is the old washer there. It's got two little clips here and there on the back side that you just squeeze, and then you could pop it out. So there it is installed, though I have a washer and a star locking washer. The rubber bit there actually ended up fitting perfectly. So there's one installed like I did the other one. I'm going to do a quick side-by-side comparison to see how good it squirts. There they are side-by-side. That's the factory one, and that's the Pilot Aftermarket universal fitting one, and it's gigantic compared to the little factory one. So we'll do a little spray pattern test. And it's currently aimed at super low. So what you do is you take your little handy dandy mini screwdriver and you can straighten it out. So now I found by actually just flipping that bit entirely, the little adjustable screw, it was able to shoot up higher. I guess it's got a pointy thing inside. But I was able to actually get a decent spray now on it compared to the original. And with all my testing, I have now created a leak. Now after the final adjustment, I'm actually really happy with the spray pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and use these. I'll put the other one on now and give it a final snug. Okay, so I'm doing these stupid sprayers, and I just happen to look down and I find out why my body creaks when I'm turning. And that's actually due to the fact that it's cracked. It's cracked and like falling off there. Not just there, but also back there. Screw it, I guess I just leave it. Maybe clean it up and put a couple little tacks in there. Wow. I've always wondered where that was coming from. I had no idea. I thought it was the ball joints or the tie rods or the body mounts or something. I was never able to get it to go away. Now, I found it. Wow. Back to work. And with the final snugging, these are huge and on my hood and spraying just nicely. They're actually like not just two little streams, but it's like a nice fan there and then a nice little fan there too. And I have them both adjusted perfectly. So I was gonna keep these, but I don't need them anymore. I got some pretty cool ones, so. Just kidding. Wouldn't do that.